Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best home improvement tools is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your home, impacting not only the quality of your projects but also your safety and efficiency. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential tools every homeowner should have, from basic hand tools to more specialized power tools, helping you choose the right equipment for your skill level and upcoming projects, saving you time, money, and frustration in the long run. Number 5. Homemade 5-Position Mop Holder. This handy holder keeps your cleaning tools organized and within easy reach. It's perfect for garages, gardens, or even closets. Mounting is a breeze. Everything you need, screws, anchors, even a template, is included. Get it up and running in minutes. It can hold up to 11 tools, with each slot supporting 7.5 pounds. That's a total of 38 pounds of storage capacity. The slots have a clever, non-slip design. Grab what you need quickly and easily, even if it's wet. It's not just for cleaning supplies. Use it to hang umbrellas, bags, or coats, freeing up valuable floor space. What we like. This holder is perfect for various tools, from mops to garden tools. It's super easy to install with all the necessary hardware included. If you need a sturdy and versatile storage solution for your cleaning supplies or garden tools, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a sturdy holder made of a good weight plastic. Good value for the money, has plenty of storage for brooms, mops, scrub brushes, etc. I like that it comes with a template for the screw placement. It holds 5 items on poles like brooms, mops, dust mops, etc. It also has 6 fold-down hooks that you can use for things like dustpans. It comes with a paper template that makes marking the drill holes easy and convenient. The brooms are held tightly and stay in their slots without slipping down. Wonderful, it grips like a vice and is very sturdy. It's mounted between my fridge and the wall and it's made it very clean and easy to use. The floor stays clean because the broom is not sitting on it and it's easy to find because it now has a home. The mop is elevated off the floor which makes it easy for cleanup too. The hooks allow for towels and other things to be. Number 4. RAK Magnetic Wristband. This year, give the gift of effortless organization. It's the ultimate tool for anyone who loves tackling home improvement projects. With 10 extra strong magnets, it securely holds all your essentials, screws, nails, even drill bits, right at your fingertips. From home repairs to construction sites, it adapts to any task. Wear it on your wrist, belt, or hang it up, the choice is yours. Made with breathable mesh and an adjustable strap, it provides all-day comfort. One size fits most, ensuring a perfect fit for everyone. Constructed from tough ballistic nylon, it's built to withstand even the toughest jobs. It's a gift that will last. Looking for a unique and useful gift for the man who has everything? This is it. It's the perfect present for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion. What we like. Keep screws and other small items readily available with its powerful magnets. You can wear it on your wrist, belt, or hang it up. If you're a DIY enthusiast or professional who needs to keep small parts close at hand, this magnetic wristband is a must-have. What people say. It is very handy to have screws, nails, driver bits, or whatever I need right on my wrist. The magnets are strong and I never have a problem with things falling off. The magnetic is really strong. Definitely worth getting. I liked how easy this product helped to carry along the small items for fixing a problem, like replacing a picture nail in the wall, carrying the additional nail screws to interchange when using an electric drill, even carrying additional small tools to complete a larger project. This is a need-to-have gadget for those of us lucky enough to have a handyman woman in the house. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER LDX120PK Kit. It's time to tackle those home improvement projects you've been putting off. This kit has everything you need to get started, from hanging pictures to building birdhouses. This cordless drill is lightweight and easy to use, making any DIY project a breeze. Its powerful lithium-ion battery ensures you're always ready to work. It features an 11-position clutch, preventing you from stripping screws and ensuring precise control for every task. This comprehensive kit includes 68 hand tools and accessories, providing everything you need for a wide range of projects. You'll be prepared for anything. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to work anywhere, and the handy carrying bag makes storage and portability a snap. With its long-lasting battery and versatile tools, it's the perfect addition to your home workshop. Start building today. What we like. This cordless drill offers great portability and convenience for various home projects. The long-lasting battery ensures you're always ready to work. If you're looking for a complete and portable tool kit for home repairs and projects, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The drill performed very well. I drove 3-wood screws through a piece of 2x4, and there was no problem. The drill is powerful, not overly heavy and super easy to grip. The battery life is decent enough. This has been a brilliant, all-purpose set for me. I have used almost everything in this kit within the first few months numerous times to affix cabinet hardware, hang pictures, put up shelves, assemble furniture, etc. The power drill is very comfortable and not too heavy. It's also got a decent amount of power and the ability to easily regulate speed, etc. The battery also seems to last for a long time in between projects and during. Number 2. Keter Folding Work Table. It's ready to use in 30 seconds, no assembly needed. This lightweight table is perfect for DIY projects, home improvements, or on the job site. With a large surface supporting up to 1,000 pounds and 12 clamps, it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. Keep your materials secure and organized. Ideal for various tasks, from miter saws to woodworking. Its quick folding system makes storage and transport a breeze. Made from weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs, it won't rust, peel, or dent. It's built to last in any environment. For over 75 years, Keter has been creating innovative solutions for life at home. This table is designed to make your everyday tasks easier. What we like. Set up your workspace in seconds with this foldable workbench. It's sturdy enough for heavy-duty tasks and has clamps to secure materials. If you need a portable and robust workspace for DIY projects or home improvements, this is a great option. What people say. It's sturdy and easy to set up, making it ideal for various projects. The built-in clamps are a fantastic feature, holding materials securely in place while I work. I appreciate the portability. It folds up easily and is lightweight, so I can move it around my workshop or take it to different job sites without any hassle. Even with heavier tools and materials, it remains steady, which is crucial for precision work. The workbench surface is spacious, giving me plenty of room to lay out my tools and materials. They're hefty, can hold 1,000 pounds, but not heavy. The folding contraption is genius. Super easy to operate. Sets up in seconds, collapses just as easily. There isn't 1 inch of wasted space. The clamps it comes with are good quality and add a lot of value to the table. Having the storage shelf below the work surface is great for putting down tools where they're out of the way, but easily accessible. Number 1. VARSK Contour Gauge Tool. This holiday season, give the gift of precision. It's the ideal present for the DIY enthusiast in your life. It's lightweight and simple to operate, just copy, lock, and trace. Get precise measurements every time, regardless of your skill level. Easily adjust the tightness of the pins for a perfect fit. The durable metal lock and high-quality materials ensure long-lasting use. With both inch and centimeter scales, it's convenient for any project. It's versatile and ready for any task. From woodworking to tiling, it's the perfect tool for countless applications. It's a great addition to any toolbox. It comes in a nice gift box, making it a thoughtful and practical present. Show your loved ones you care with this useful tool. What we like. This contour gauge makes duplicating irregular shapes a breeze. It's lightweight, easy to use, and built to last. If you frequently work on DIY projects or need to measure and transfer irregular shapes accurately, this tool is for you. What people say. It's as easy as it looks and quite satisfying actually. Having both sizes is also very useful. Right off the bat this product was so easy to use. It's a great size so that it's easy to handle. It's made of plastic, but a strong plastic that I'm sure will last for years. It has a lever on the side so that after you get your shape you can lock it down and create a strong slip resistance. It has proved especially useful for his recent flooring project, making the task of tracing outlines, even around odd-shaped crevices, much simpler and far more accurate. The quality of the tool is excellent, robust enough to handle the demands of frequent use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.